Sure, here are 10 habits that could potentially be harmful if done at night. 1. Eating late at night. Eating right before bed can lead to indigestion and disrupt your sleep cycle. It's best to finish eating a few hours before you plan to go to sleep. 2. Using electronic devices. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, computers, and TVs can interfere with the production of the sleep hormone melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep. 3. Drinking alcohol. While it might make you feel sleepy, alcohol can disrupt your sleep cycle and prevent you from getting quality rest. 4. Staying up too late. Consistently staying up late can throw off your body's internal clock, leading to chronic sleep deprivation. 5. Working out late at night. While exercise is great for your health, doing it too close to bedtime can leave you feeling energized and make it harder to fall asleep. 6. Drinking caffeine. Consuming caffeinated drinks in the evening can keep you awake and disrupt your sleep. 7. Sleeping with lights on. Light can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. 8. Ignoring sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at different times every day can disrupt your body's internal clock and lead to poor sleep quality. 9. Not winding down. It's important to give your body and mind time to relax before bed. Jumping straight from a high-stress activity into bed can make it harder to fall asleep. 10. Ignoring sleep problems. If you're consistently having trouble sleeping, it's important to address the issue rather than ignoring it. Chronic sleep problems can lead to a range of health issues. Remember, these are general suggestions and may not apply to everyone. If you're having serious sleep problems, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional.